Hey everyone, Aditi Dubey here. Welcome to our final stop. We have journeyed through cancer's chaos, mutations, metastasis, metabolism, all the way to precision medicine. Today, we are looking ahead. The future of cancer research. It's not all solved yet. Cancers are tough nut, but there is hope on the horizon. And I am fired up to share why. Let's wrap this up with a peek at the challenges, the game changers, and why you. Yes, you might be part of the solution. First, the hurdles we are still facing. Cancer shapeshifter. One big challenge is resistance. Give it a drug and it finds a workaround, like a weed growing back after you pull it. Take targeted therapies. Amazing until the tumor mutates again and shrugs them off. Then there is early detection. We are great at spotting cancer when it's loud and obvious, but catching it when it's just a whisper, that's tricky. Those tiny cells hide too well. And don't get me started on metastasis or rare cancers. We have got tools, but not enough answers. These aren't small problems. They are why cancer is still a killer. But every challenge is a question, and we are chasing the replies. Now, the cool stuff emerging tech. Have you heard of CRISPR? It's like genetic scissors. We can snip out bad DNA or tweak genes to study cancer in ways we couldn't before. In the lab, we are using it to knock out mutations and see what happens. Could we one day edit cancer out of a patient? It's early, but the potential is wide. Then there is AI, artificial intelligence. It's sifting through mountains of data, DNA sequence, patient records, faster than any human could. AI is spotting patterns, predicting resistance, even designing drugs. I have seen it flag a mutation we would miss, and I thought, this is the future. These tools aren't magic wands, but they are turbocharging our work, turning what if into let's try it. Here is the thing, though, it's not just about tech, it's about people. Collaborations, the heartbeat of this fight. No one cracks cancer alone. Biologists, doctors, data nerds, even patients. They are all in the mix. I have sat in rooms with folks from across the globe, swapping ideas over bad coffee, and those chats spark breakthroughs. And you, students, you are the next wave. Cancer's mysteries won't be solved by me or my generation alone. They need fresh eyes, bold questions. Whether you are pipetting in a lab, coding AI, or just asking why, you are part of this. I have seen undergrads stumble on insights that make us pros rethink everything. You are not just learning this, you could rewrite it. So, why am I optimistic? Because we are moving. 50 years ago, cancer was a black box. Now we have got maps, tools, wins like imatinib or immunotherapy. Resistance, we'll outsmart it. Early detection, we are closing it. Every lecture we have done, cell cycles, angiogenesis, immune battles, it's building block and we are stacking them higher. I think of patients like Priya, who we lost to metastasis, or Vikram hiking thanks to immunotherapy. For every Priya, I want a Vikram out. In my lab, I see glimmers, new drugs, CRISPR edits, AI predictions, and we are not done. Cancer's tough, but we are tougher and we are fighting alone. This is it, folks. Our journey from cancer basics to its cutting edge. You have stuck with me, and I hope you are hooked as I am. The future is not a promise, it's a challenge, and I'm betting on us to meet. So ask questions, dig in, join the fight. We are not chasing hope, we are building it. Thanks for being here. I can't wait to see what you do next.